Hello everybody, welcome to Les Viñas High School.
It is 10 years old and we have got
227 students. Everything is organized in different modular units.
This is the entrance. You can find very different flowers. Here you can find
Cauliflowers, onions, spinach.
and other types of vegetables. Our scarecrow is called Cebetes.
On the left, there is a secretary, head teacher department, music and computer rooms, and a theater.
She is Nulos. She is the administrative.
Do you work at all?
Yes, I do.
She is Marije. She is the head teacher of the high school.
Hello, Marije. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
And also can file the toilet.
In the computer room, there are a lot of computers. Specifically 13.
We use the computers for projects of art and technology.
Sometimes other students also do music here. This room is a theater.
It used to be a canteen.
The teacher's room is opposite this building. If you go straight, you can find first office.
This is our classroom, the first of B.
And on the left, there is second office.
This is the playground.